intuitive investing. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design Facebook posts and as well to design your flyers and your planners using Canva. Canva is a very good resource that you can use to quickly design your graphics, your ad graphics, your social media posts, and your banners. So I'm going to walk you through each of the steps that you need to know before you can be able to create some of those flyers of your choice or the banners that you want. First of all, let me just show you some of the interface, the features of Canva. In this particular Canva, I'm using the Pro version. We also have the free version, which you can use. And the free version also gives you the opportunity to create a wonderful Facebook posts, either using the template or starting your own design from the scratch. And also, it can also give you the opportunity to also design any kind of graphics of your choice. I will have a pre-made template that you can utilize in Mate. But in the Pro Future, the difference between the Pro Future and the free features at the Pro Future, there are some templates that you cannot use in the free future, but they are available in the Pro version. So let's just dive in. Let me show you how to create a Facebook posts or a Facebook flyers using Canva. Now, to do that, we see this interface shows you create a design, and you can quickly dive in and click create a design. Now you can easily pick any of this feature here which you want. This is a Facebook post. I will just click on Facebook post, but this will be in landscape. Okay, it's going to be in landscape. I can also change it to Facebook cover and Instagram reel. So if I want to use, I can choose that. But that is not the scope of our video. I'm going to focus on using Canva to create a Facebook post. So let me click this. And let's hold on for it to come up. Now we have the Canva interface with our Facebook posts. And the next thing by the left hand side here, you see the tool, the design tool, it's the element, you see the upload, you see the text, you see the project, you see the app. I'll be walking you guys through one after the other. But first, I'm going to show you how to use some of this template. If you look at this, this is a template, and this is a template, this is a template, this is a template, okay? Now, let me pick one of this template quickly, and let's use this digital marketing agency. Now, in this template, you can easily pick it and customize it to your choice, okay? Customize it to what you want it to be. Now, I have clicked on this particular template, and I have this. I can decide to choose this. I'll click on it to bring it up. I can decide to scroll down and pick this, and I have that, okay? Well, let me go back to digital marketing template, and we have that. Now, we have these particular topic here. I can, these are just my own topic, but because I want to talk about digital marketing, I'll just link this and do some modifications here, all right? Let me increase the size so you can see it a little bit well. Now, there are some text here. I'm going to change this text to whatever I want. Let me see it. Okay. Let's click that. We're bringing the text. Click this. Now to put the text, you can click this and you click any of these. Well, for me, I want to use this, and it's true. So now we are in this place. Now I can edit and put in my text. Edit this type of file. This is a Canva tutorial class. Now I have my inputs here. And then I will go down here and adjust the text to fit into what I want. Fit into what I want. And I'll have that drag down. I'll have it drag down a bit too. And wow. So I have that. I can scale this through, should simplified, and make adjust to this. So if you look at this, we have height. This is a Canva tutorial class. Now let me adjust it a little bit to look more bigger so that you can see it. If you want to adjust, you can click here and you see how big it is now, so you can see that very well. Then yeah, I can just type join now and I can just impute my link here. That is all. So once I'm done editing and then customizing it to my choice, I can download. For instance, let me add my logo here, my company logo here. And to do that, I'll first of all upload my logo. I'll go to this upload and I'll click upload. And I'm going to click upload file. If your file is saved on Google Drive, you can click that. If it's in Dropbox, you can click here. If it is in Box, you can click here and get your files. Now, but because I saved my file in my computer, I'm going to upload it from here. I'll click upload file and I'll go straight to where I saved my logo. I'll click on down and I'll click on this. And boom, it's up. It's coming up. So this is my logo. The next thing I will do is to click it and my logo has shown here. Okay, so when we go up, so you see the logo. Now I will need to adjust this logo to suit to what I want it to be. And I'll do that. Then I'll drag it up. To drag things up, we will make a cursor to it. Hold right, the right click, right click it, hold that key down, I drag to the position you want. Now we have this here. Adjust it to your choice, the way you want it. And you are there. So let me see, adjust a little so that you can see what we have. Okay, so now we have this. So my logo is done, and I've successfully removed that picture that was here before. That if I want to download this, I can easily go here. I'll click share. I want to click share to bring this up, and scroll down, you look at download. And when I do that, it will give me the option which I want. And I will just click. It can adjust. I can leave it in PNG. Now look at this PNG. If you click on this PNG, you see different extension. You can leave it in JPG, but for me, I leave it in PNG for a better quality. We can leave it in MP4. Can leave it in GIF. Can leave it in SVG, PDF, and wherever you have them. Okay, so I'm going to download this in a PNG. So I will click on share and I will click on download. Now, once I click on download, it's going to download the file for me. So you see, print the file for download. So let's pull down. Now the file has been downloaded. Let me open the file and preview it so that you can see. So this is the file then. I'm going to preview the file now and let's see. Let's preview the file. Let's go down to the files coming up. Scroll down. Scroll down to the file to come up. So let's see how the design looks like. Also, so this is the file, okay? So I've successfully downloaded the file, as you can see. All right. So now let's go back and see if we can actually create something fresh by using that. Or time using the templates. Okay. So to do that, we'll go back to Canva again. And this time around, we are going to choose a design, the custom design. Click here and we'll go to custom size. Here in custom size, we click here and choose 1080, 1080 by 1080, 1080 by 1080 pixel. And I will create a new design. So it's going to create a new design interface for me. So I have a new design interface. Okay. Now the next thing I need to do is I can put my background. I'll click on this and choose a background. Go to color, by that color there, and let's see the pit dates. Fine, I have a background here. Randomly choose any other background of my choice. Put that. Then when they look for the template, let me say digital. Let me say digital. I'm gonna click on that and look for something like shooting hot skinning then the dude with cute. So then it is that the fine. Create. You use those back out. That the putting the background and let's go to on the rid for something that do that. Okay, let me continue my design. Now I'm gonna bring in a text header. Another text. Yeah, let me choose this. And I'll drag the box here. I'll drag it off. I'll put something there. Let's say digital skill. Should learn. Digital skill to learn. Then I can really adjust these. Come to this space signal, this adjustment, say alignment. I'll click on alignment to see what is happening. So it's aligning it. Once you click on that, to align it for you. So then put it, update it, and I can control this to this area. Then make it bold, highlights, and make it bold. So it goes bold for me. Then let me change this the font size is related with the font size. I'll have stats. Then I'm going to bring in my picture. I will upload. Remember, okay, when I bring in this, and I have this, I'll adjust that. Let's still adjust this. Okay, so now we can bring in your graphics of your choice if you want. Let's look for element and see. Let's go to elements and let's look for something that we can use there. I'll bring in this element here. Let's adjust this element to the side. Okay. And then I'm use this hand where we can adjust it again. A little want that to be. So okay. So you have this. And I can easily add text here. Click here. Let's only turn this the other way around. Click and join the free class. I'll click this text and add the text there. I'm going to click and join class. Okay, so click and join class. It. Wait. So probably that. Now let's see how we can bring in something different. Okay, let's go back to element again. Let's say marketing. That marketing on the search bar. I'll see if I can get something on marketing. Now I have this on marketing. I have that on marketing. So I can just bring that in and you know that this way. And yeah, I made that base. Let's fit it.
Is that a bit?
Cool. So we have that. Okay. So we have this way. Let's see working that. I think my here this curve is off. I will bring it this way. I'll shift this in. So we have this here, and I have that. Now we can actually take this to the back. When I click that, you can take this to the back. Go to position. Also click this, go to the position and click on this. And we have, well, all right. I mean, click that, then look at position. And have the backwards. Good. So that's taking this to the back of this animation. Now let's try to see if we can animate this particular right up here. Let's animate it. So to animate it, we can go to this particular option here, animate, and click animate. Let's see how it's going to animation is going to be. And when you go to lights and I'll see how it's going to find. So let's give it the writing animation. So you see, okay, so we have a writing animation there. I will reduce its size. Okay, so you have this, and it's a very simple way that you can actually design. There are other ways you can also design and get a better graphic, but because of this tutorial, I'm going to make it this way. Subsequently, I'm going to show you the more advanced method to give yourself a better design that it's have. Okay, now to download this, we can still go through this same method. We click share now, and you go to download, where you can now download this in MP4 format or in PNG. But let me tell you something, because we have this animation here, you can only download it in MP4, so that this animation can always be displayed. But if you don't want this animation this effect to be there, you can download the picture form, and this animation will just be there. It will not be blinking the way you're saying it, okay? So, but I want mine to always link this way. So I'm going to download it in MP4. So I'll click on share and I'll click on download. So I'm going to click on this download and it's going to download now. It's downloading already. Downloading already. Let's hold down. So it's done downloading. I'm going to open it now so that you see how it plays. The session is done downloading. Let's play it. Let's open it and see how it looks like. So let me open that. Open. And okay, so let me open it. I see. So I'm going to open it with my VLC. Choosing it in the format. So can you see that? So you see digital key to land, click and join class. So let me display that so that you see it. Can you see that? So that is it. So if you love this video, just give it a thumbnail. I'm going to drop more videos on Canva and more advanced videos on it that will teach you everything about Canva and how to have multiple posts in social media, and you can create up 500 posts in social media, and they'll all be nice and easy for you to do that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbnail, subscribe to it, and whenever I drop videos, you'll be able to get notified and also be able to be among the first people to watch the video.